let's check out our new formula for volume. We said that instead of counting all of the cubes on the bottom or base layer of my sandwich container, I could just find the base area by multiplying my length and my width. Remembering that's my base area or that base layer. So let's see. When I'm looking at the structure, I know my length is going to be this front side. This is my length. My width is going to be how far back it goes, or how many rows away from you it goes when you're facing your structure. It's my width. And our height is how tall it is. So our height is how many layers I can stack on top of each other. Okay. When I measured all of the cubes in my sandwich box, I looked at this front length. My front length was 11 cubes. My width, how many cubes back it went when I was facing it, was 10. And my height, how many layers I could put on top of each other, was 4. So let's multiply together to determine our overall volume. Now, we're going to find our base area first. Or, since it's multiplication, I can multiply any two numbers together that I think would be easiest to start with. In my opinion, I want to start with 11 times 4. And then I'm going to multiply by my 10. So when I do 11 times 4, I get 44. And then I have to multiply by my 10. So I get 440 cubic centimeters as my volume. So I can fit a sandwich in my sandwich box that is 440 cubic centimeters. Let's continue trying to use this formula by multiplying our length times our width times our height in order to get overall volume. Remembering, length and width is my base area or that base layer, and my height is just how many layers I'm stacking on top of each other.